Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansari Kishore from Naukar Institute. Okay, friends. So I inform you that on Sunday you have an English test, and I completed only one grammatical topic, active passive voice. So you have to prepare for that. So today I will be taking revision lecture. I explain you active passive voice. Today I will again give some examples and I will explain this point again. Okay, so active voice, the sentence start with subject, it called active voice. Passive voice, the sentence start with object, it is called passive voice. Active voice to passive voice, the sentence says three things: subject, verb and object. We have to recognize these three things from the sentence and turn the active voice sentence following 5 rules, and we will turn into passive voice. So first point, put object in place of subject. Second, recognize the tense. Now in this recognize tense there are 5 topics, subtopics. The first topic say, if the sentence is simple present tense, while turning into passive we have to put is, am, are according to object. Now B, if the sentence is simple past tense, then turning into passive voice we have to put was, were according to object. Now next, if the sentence says is, am, are, was, were, then turning into passive voice we have to put being after this word. Fourth, if the sentence says has, have or had, turning into passive we have to put been after this word. If the sentence says is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, has to, have to, had to, can, could, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, etc., then turning into passive we have to put be after this word. Now main point third, in passive voice we have to put V3, past participle, okay, the verb's third form. Fourth rule, if the sentence has other words, then after putting other words we have to put by. If there is no other words, then after putting V3 we have to put by. Now next 5 rules, last one. After by we have to put subject. There is some changes in subject, like in place of I we have to put me, we, to us, you, to you, he, to him, she, to her, they, to them, it, to it, and name, to name. Now rule 1. These all rules turn the sentence active voice to passive voice, but if sentence is passive and if we have to turn into active voice, then change of reverse all the rules, that means change all the rules in reverse. Okay, rule 2, while changing active to passive or passive to active, sentence must be same. Okay friends, like a positive to positive, negative to negative, and interrogative to interrogative. Now the construction of the passive voice. As we revise the 5 rules, the first rule I told you, put object in place of subject. So the first is object. The second rule say change according to tense and change the tense. Okay, so in that there are 5 rules, there are 5 points. Okay, so according to tense we have to make changes. Then third is V3. In this one we have to put verb's third form. Okay, and fourth is other words. That means if the sentence has other words, then we have to put other word. After that we have to put by, and if there is no other words, then after V3 we have to put by, and after by we have to put subjects. So I repeat again the construction: first object, then change according to tense, then V3, then other words, then by, and after by we have to put subject. Okay friends, so I revise all the rules which I gave you for the active passive voice. So you have to listen this video 3 to 4 times, or you have to write down these rules 1 or 2 times so that you can learn these rules. And if you learn the rules, thus you can turn the sentence active to passive or passive to active. Okay friends, so now in the next video I will show you some other examples so that you can understand this active passive voice in a proper way. I revise all the tenses like a simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, simple future tense, perfect future tense, then other like infinitive, double object, and after that I will explain you active to passive or passive to active. In that also I will explain you all 3 sentences like a positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay, so friends, in the next video I will give you some more example. Thank you very much to listen me carefully.